I'm Tootie Wilson from TootieLicious.com. Today I'm going to teach you to make a Halloween punch for kids. Let's get started. I have 1 liter of lemon lime soda. And I have half a liter of tropical fruit punch. And this is what's going to give you a little bit of color. And this is perfect for kids and for Halloween. So what I do for Halloween is I have a hand, and it's a glove that I just fill with water, and I put a canister under it, and I stuck it in the freezer. So you just take this out, and you don't have to use ice because you have this, and it's ice, it's frozen, it's just water. And when you get ready to open it, then you have to run it under warm water to release it from the plastic. And I double glove this because the first one wasn't holding. And it's going to crack, so it just makes it more fun because the fingers are going to break off. Well, Herman made it out with a thumb and 2 fingers. See? You just float them in the bowl. See? And the other 2 fingers. You can just stick these in the glass if you like for the kids. They'll find it a little funny. Alright, so to decorate the glass, I have pomegranate molasses, which is really thick in consistency, and it sticks to whatever you put on it. It sticks to everything, just to make a long story short. So I'm going to put that all over the rim of the glass, like this. And then I have powdered lemonade, so it's kind of the sweet and the tart factor. Kind of make them feel special. They'll feel they're a little older when you have a decorative glass for them, like that. And not only that, but it'll taste really, really good. So now, I'm going to put some punch in here. Like that. I'm going to give them a finger. Like my joke. There you go. And then you can always put a garnish on it. So I made a couple of little fruit garnishes, and I'll just stick one of these in there too. So there you go. And that's how you make a Halloween punch for kids.